Asian squads meeting. Vietnam versus Malaysia on Saturday here on the arena. And so far, it's been a very exciting fourth set. Medyo seesaw battle. And now it is Malaysia with
The 2-point lead.
Oh,
I'll take that
reception.
3.
And remember when I told you that that was a crucial service error
No,
at
the 14
all from Alisa Valdez. Ito, after that, Malaysia has strung up 3 straight points. And now, it's 17-14. Service error right there for Fei Tien. Hervasio will be serving. Nice serve. That's a nice serve. Oh,
that's
2
going to be a
touches.
violation, definitely.
Lake 1 with an error. 2 touches called on Lake 1. Now it's just a 1-point lead for Malaysia. Z making sure of the serve. Good block. Oh! Now we're tied at 17.
Now, a more exciting fourth set.
Oh, dikit na dikit, 17 all. Z Hervasio is doing the right thing, just making sure that that serve goes in. Nice serve. Nice.
Doon na naman dinala ni Teo kay Lazaro.
Back row to Z.
Teneo chance to take this one as Kainglet once again going down the line. Just has been her favorite spot.
And it's now 18-17. Nakausad
Ayan na
po
naman.
ang Ateneo after that spike from Phil Kainglet.
Favorite mo ulit.
Nahihirap na, hindi ko na masyado. 18-17.
I-google mo.
This is what Ateneo was missing in that first 2 sets, no? Yung energy sa court.
Yes, yung aggressiveness,
Look at
yung
that.
motion.
Look at that. Look at that defense.
By both teams, actually.
Oh!
And a free ball given to Ateneo.
Oh! Oh! Quezonho getting the point. 19-17.
What a rally. Ateneo winning that one.
Z Hervasio doing a steady job on the serve.
Not going for those jump serves.
Pinalo pa rin. Nice defense there from the libero of Malaysia.
Lazaro is so steady.
See, that ball still up. Oh, Quezonho.
For a third ball, but good effort.
Very good from Phil.
By the Lady Eagles is Josephine again
Kanina, ito na
trying
naman.
to spark things up here for Malaysia. Let's see if she can do it the
Josephine,
same way she did it in the second set.
she's actually a good server. No?
Uh-huh.
Every time na pinapasok siya, talagang maganda yung serves ni Josephine.
Iba rin kasi yung offensive kagad yung dating na
Oh.
serve mo eh.
As we say that, oh! Service ace.
Galing, ayan na! Sa sobrang energy.
Nadulas. Bumulong.
Just so much energy.
Why not? Pero mo, you're being,
Kahit yung coach
you know,
niya hindi ma-contain ang happiness.
natuklap ng bahagya yung Taraflex dun sa part na yon. So,
Sobra ka naman.
No,
Orange
yan.
talaga yung shirt.
orange ba yan? Kadugtong pala.
Oo.
but of course, you know, if you're a coach, if you're the coach of this Malaysian, and you have a player such as Josephine who can come in and instantly bring that amount of
Yes.
energy, that level of intensity, perfect yan. And now it is, again, a 1-point lead for Ateneo, 20-19, as Charo Soriano comes back in. Phil Kainglet and Jem Ferrer, together with Charo, the frontliners for this Ateneo squad. Gretchen with the serve. This one seems to be good. It is. Nice set. But a better block by Phil. Ganda
Yeah,
ng
the defense of Ateneo working well.
Key.
Oh,
Nice.
and a clutch shot.
See? That's the same play.
That's right. Doon na naman dinadala. Not in the right position. Once again was
What
Phil
happens is
Kanglet.
that Phil doesn't go back to her spot. No, once she's there, she stays there dun sa medyo
Masyadong pasok.
dikit na sa net.
Oo.
Oh. Service ace there for Key. Kung nakita naman ni Coach Roger yung pattern ng opensa nitong Malaysia. And riniremind niya yung girls, mahilig silang magpalusot dun sa
Yes.
cross court na yun.
And this is going to be really crucial, this stage of the ball game. Something Ateneo should be careful with as Kanglet on the second try gets the point.
Also,
Tying up this set.
delivering it cross court, so giving Malaysia a dose of their own medicine. We're tied at 21.
Ateneo actually has more attack points at this point.
Phil with a good serve. A long ball and a free ball from Lazaro. Lazaro again.
Lazaro again on the dig.
Josephine. Oh, nice set. Oh, with the left hand, Moz.
Yes, and but that was saved. Another long rally. Oh, and Liza Valdez just too smart on that last play, pushing the ball.
Good
Nakita
decision,
niya,
yeah.
No back row, no support, no coverage from Malaysia.
And Malaysia calling a timeout. They're down by 1, and definitely Ateneo with the momentum. Well, I got the part that
But,
they said bola, so I guess that's the ball.
Parang ano kasi, Pinoy sounding
Yeah,
rin, diba?
it does sound Pinoy. Nice. Block there.
Let their game speak for themselves.
I know,
diba?
yeah. Oh! That's a good... Oh! Well, they're looking at each other. After an excellent block from Charo Soriano, the Malaysian players looked at each other.
Parang nilagyan ni Charo ng chewing gum yung bola. Ayaw nila kunin.
Every time Charo just steps into the court, she brings a different level of leadership. Yun yung alam ko talaga
Yes.
na the
Yun
contribution
yung,
ni Charo.
something na magical. Sinasabi ko nga innate sa player yun eh. Not everyone has it.
That's right. And there's a touch right there from Charo, I think.
So, Malaysia still alive. 3 points down in this fourth set.
Malaysia with a serve. They're down by 1. Ganda ng serve. They go back.
Liza still going for it.
Wow, that was a costly judgment call. Ika nga, no, for Alisa
And
Valdez.
now that's the right score. We're at 23 all.
Hang on, folks. And I know you are. For those of you who have heart conditions,
Easy lang, easy lang.
easy lang. Oh!
Charo Soriano read by the defense, the blockers of Malaysia.
And there wasn't even an Ateneo player for coverage in that middle spot. So
Na yun pa naman na yung naging adjustment nila,
Oo,
di ba?
yun yung
Gumanda
maganda.
yung support.
Malaysia now at match point. They throw it back to Valdez off the block. He saves another match point. We're tied at 24 in this fourth set.
Ferrer on the line.
Jem
Crucial serve.
Ferrer
Ito yung gusto mo, porsyento na lang makapasok yung serve.
just make sure it goes in. That's the thing there. Ooh! Oh, that's a good play! That's a good play!
That's a good play. Really, you know, the patience of Ateneo, not giving up. As now they are at set point.
Now it's Ateneo at set point. Alright, now if you're Ateneo, you've got to read the offense of Malaysia. Kanino ba dadalhin? Oh, nice play.
Obviously, don't dadalhin.
I
She scores
know.
another one.
And I was surprised why Ateneo's blockers were compressed at the other side. Eh, nandito si Yo eh.
Umabol na lang.
25 all.
You on line.
Oh! Buti na lang, Jem Ferrer had the presence of mind to look.
Free ball now given to
Oh.
Malaysia.
This is dangerous. That is dangerous. Yun ang mahirap doon.
Yes.
Lake
Just,
Juan had an opening, and she
Yeah.
went for it.
Nagkaroon ng advantage bigla itong Malaysia dun sa last play na yun at the net.
All right, let's see what Ateneo will do. It is now match point. Gian Basio
You
saving
trying to
one.
take that ball. Sayang, nandun na si Teo behind her. Was
Oh.
ready to take that reception.
Inagaw.
Excited rin siya.
A bit,
Yun naman
yeah.
ang feeling nating lahat dito, the way things are going here in this fourth set.
Oh, that's outside.
That
there's a touch.
Oh, a touch is called.
A touch is called.
So now, it's Malaysia with the match point.
And let's see if they go to Valdez.
This is going to show the character of Ateneo.
They go to Gretchen. It's a free
They
ball.
give a free ball.
They'll go to Key.
And
That did not go over. That did not
early
go over.
celebration for Quan Key. No go, says our referee.
Well,
It was really close to our referee.
I saw it. It did not. It didn't go over. It just hit the tape. And
He was trying to go for a fast one.
she can try, of course. Why not? She's allowed to do that.
Oo, kasama, part of the game.
Uh,
And she let that fly away as Ateneo now set point.
Again, this is the third match for set point for Ateneo and match point for Malaysia. Valdez with a good serve. They go to Key. This time, that's a better hit from Key. They go to Phil. Oh, they save it! Malaysia saves it!
But a chance again for Ateneo.
Key gets blocked. The libero's right there.
Wow, standing that long. We
Ateneo.
are going for a fifth set.
Wow, Ateneo really hanging tough.
Yan yung character na I'm sure Coach Roger is very happy with. As we see our winning play of this set. Easily Ateneo winning it by that error.
All right, hang on, folks. It's going to be an exciting fifth set when we come back.